Here comes a brother with glow, a snuggling, bubbling, overweight, loving, hugging pro. So what's it gonna be? Me or the TV? Let me take time to set your mind and your body free. So why don't you just stretch for a sec? Lay while the problem so I can cop a quick wreck. Shake me, baby, bake me. No need to fake, here I am, come on and take me. Wind your body, baby, move your body. I see you slip sliding, come on and do it, hottie. I'm not quite sure as to what is going down, but I'm feeling hunky-dory about this thing that I've found. Jingle, but you jiggle. So spread over your love, cause it's heavy in the middle. Moving like a mover, she wanted to groove, so I grooved her. Then she wanted to learn, so we play school, and I schooled her. But not like this. We can toss and turn, rumble, tumble, and twist. Anything you want, I give it. Fantasies will live it, so lay down and relax. Loving my lady, loving my baby girl. Spread your wings so we can fly around the world. Harmony, charming me, your fingertips are calming me. When you drop the kiss of Susie Q, you drop the bomb on me. Stretch it, flex it. Give me the permission, okie dokie, I'll bless it. Bless it like Buddha as the best. We can lay down after love and put your head on my chest. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? Come on and tell me. Hit 'em up one time. Keep it funky. Yeah.
Keep it
like
smooth.
Here we go. What can we do? What are we gonna do? Roses are red and violets are blue. Love is good and plenty if you get plenty good loving. Kiss you where you're hot, get what I got to keep you bubbling. Do me right, my lonesome dove. Tell your man one time, what is this thing called love? I'm not quite sure as to what is going down, but I'm feeling hunky-dory about this thing I found. Shake it. Oh yeah.
Come on, do the right thing, baby.
Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? Here we go. Keep it funky, baby. Yeah.
Tell me.
Now that we found put your hands together now, come on.
I don't know, baby.
Bring it back one time. All up in money, earning my furnace was dedicated to you, know what I'm saying? Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, the whole New York City. I said I love you to death, but you don't stop and you don't quit. You got to keep on until the do it like this. You don't stop and you don't quit. You got to keep on and on and on. Yeah, alright.